would I recommend the VIP tour for the holidays? Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Riley, and I am the Florida-based half of the theme park Damsels. And you're stuck with just me today. We've got a very exciting, very holiday-filled agenda. We, and by we I mean me and producer Jimmy, are going to go on the VIP holiday tour here at Universal Orlando. And so kind of get into some basics, kind of what's included in that. So it's going to run this year from November 21st to January 3rd. And it says, stroll into the season on a special limited time only walking tour with a Grinch meet and greet, reserved show seating, and more. So what does that more include? Exclusive meet and greets. We get to meet the Grinch and his faithful dog, Max. And I do believe this is the only time guests are allowed to actually meet Max. He's protected, right? Protect the babies. We will also get to meet Santa today. We get prime viewing, so we get reserved seating for the Grinchmas Holiday Spectacular. We also get special seating for the Universal Holiday Parade featuring Macy's. But I have a feeling that our weather is not going to cooperate with us today. It is supposed to start raining at 5 p.m. and the parade time is 5:30 today. So I think you're gonna come along with us to see some alternative, what the backup plans are for that. Snacks and beverages, cookie decorating, light bites, and non-alcoholic beverages are included, and the location does vary. And then we get priority access to one predetermined attraction here at Universal Studios Florida. So I think the attraction will be in Universal Studios and not Islands, but we will find out. I'm excited to bring you guys along with us. We did do it last year, but I know that it's been tweaked a little bit. So I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna get into, but I know at least we'll get to meet the Grinch. So he's always so much fun. I can't wait for that. So we are going to get checked in here at the Coconut Club. Let's go, let's get started on this VIP tour. Okay, we're gonna do a walk and talk since we are on the go already. Check-in was seamless. They scan your park tickets to make sure you have admission, because admission is not included in the price of your VIP tour. The pricing ranges from $90 to $150 depending on what day you come. Closer to Christmas, it does get more expensive, and then after Christmas, it goes back down to $90. So depending on when you come will be your price, and if you plan it out, you might get one of those lower price days if you do come during the holidays and wait until after. We checked in the Coconut Club, and our tour guide up there, her name is Bridget. She looks fabulous. And I have no idea what we're doing first, but we're already walking and we're already going. So we have our badges though. So that's exciting. Okay, whatever is first will be first. Okay, so we got the plan. First is the Grinchmas Holiday Spectacular, which is basically the Grinch musical. If it has not changed, which I am assuming that it hasn't, well, we actually recorded the whole thing last year, and we'll throw up that video up in the corner so you can watch the entire show without us blabbing at you if you want to do that. But we'll throw a little snippet in here so you kind of see what the gist is. But that's what's up first, is the Grinchmas Holiday Spectacular.
Song coming on.
It's Santa Claus!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hi, Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays.
And Happy Holidays.
You're not really the Grinch. I'm not really the Grinch. Did you enjoy the Grinchmas this morning?
We did.
Well,
Thank you.
But later in the parade.
Oh, I'm hoping it doesn't rain and I do get to see you in the parade. I'm very worried.
We're concerned also. Yes. We hope for the best. We'll see you in the parade.
Okay,
Yes.
we will. We're gonna see you in the parade. Put it out there, right?
Thank you.
Okay, so we wrapped up the Grinch show, which is the same. So the link will be the same show that was last year that it is this year. Then we headed into Universal Orlando and we got to meet Santa. And he promised me that we'd see him later in the parade, which I'm very worried about because of the weather and all of that. And then we got to see the Earl the squirrel in this giant Christmas tree over here, which is apparently 80 feet tall and 8 feet what?
Gotta be more than 8.
It's gotta be more than 8 feet wide. I'll ask her again. More than 80 feet tall. It takes 2 nights to put up and a week to decorate. So big deal there. Next, we're gonna head into the tribute store, which I'm actually really excited about. It's always so cool at Christmas time. So yeah, we're just kind of trucking along here. What time is it?
2:34.
2:34. We started at noon. This experience was to last about 5.5 hours. The parade's at 5:30 today. So yeah. Tell us about your cookie.
My cookie is not winning any beauty awards. It is mainly dump all the toppings on there and hope that it tastes good.
Here's my cookie. I tried to put my stars at the top of the tree, and then the pretzels are like the garland maybe, and the snowflakes are because it snowed outside. I tried really hard, but it doesn't look like it. But I like my cookie anyway. Jimmy said the frosting is amazing, so we're gonna try it now. Ready? There's a lot of crunch because there's a lot of stuff going on in my cookie, but it's actually not bad, and it's just like pretty standard. So 3, I mean a 3 out of 5. A standard, oddly decorated holiday cookie. Okay, so I think we're at like a mid-tour check-in here. The tribute store is very cute. It's raining, so our tour guide's like kind of rushing through things, so I didn't get to hear like the story of what it was. Like last year, it was all like storybooks, which was really cool. This has incredible nutcrackers. So like Earl's like set up a nutcracker shop, and we saw like the spitters from Jurassic Park and Frankenstein and Gilman, and there's even like a nutcracker of Igor from like Dark Universe and Epic Universe. How cool is that? So cool. And then right now we just finished up our cookie decorating, which is really incredible because the location, like we are on the 2nd floor, but we're actually like outside the gates of the park, but we're still technically in the park because we haven't like exited. I don't know, it's kind of fun. So yeah, the cookie decorating was fun. You get 1 cookie per person, and then you could take all the toppings that you wanted. So I had like extra pretzels and extra frosting, and I like dumped it in and had my own little extra little snack. I know we still have to meet the Grinch. I'm pretty sure we get some sort of light bites situation. Oh, and then the parade, which Santa said he would promise he'd see me in the parade, but I don't know if that promise is gonna come true. So fingers crossed we get to do that. Again, it's raining, so things are a little rushed. Tribute store was kind of chaotic because it's like a rain haven because it's a big store. But so far we're having a great time. Hi, sweet girl.
Hi.
Is Maxine?
No, that's Max.
Oh, Max.
Okay.
Present Max.
Oh, cute.
How are you guys doing?
Great.
Fabulous.
You just
How
want to stay
are
there
you?
because we can come join you. You don't need to get up or do anything.
You're going to join me?
Yeah.
Okay, take a
If
seat.
it's okay with you.
Sit down.
Do you consent?
No, anyway. What all have you done?
We decorated cookies.
Decorated cookies.
Yes.
I can't help but notice there are not cookies in front of me right
We only got 1 per person.
And then we ate.
And we ate them.
now. Hold on. You got 1 per... What?
Yeah.
That's it.
One per person.
But unlimited frosting. So, I mean, I don't know, do with that what you will, I guess.
Why do you have to fail me so often? Whatever. Do you guys want to get a photo?
We have now reached the light bites portion of our holiday tour. I know it looks very exciting behind me, so I'm gonna have you pan that way. If you're a frequent goer of Universal Orlando, we're in like the NBC building, like we were heading back towards ET. Yeah, it's all catered, and there's pasta, and there's like a stuffing casserole, and piggies in a blanket, but they're not piggies, they're beef. Full desserts, salad, fruit tray. Really, really yummy stuff. How was your desserts you've had so far?
About a 3.5.
Jimmy said that the desserts were mediocre. The pasta is a 5 out of 5 Damsel delight. It is so good. And we met the Grinch, and we met Max, and they said that we had the best Max picture and pose of the entire day. So I just feel like we're winning. And then up next, we get to go on a ride, but we don't know what that will be yet. I have a feeling it's not going to be a super big or popular one. I'm hoping for ET, but I mean, if you've been around a while, you know that's my favorite. So yeah, I'm gonna dig into my desserts. Okay, we left off at Light Bites, and we said the attraction was next, and guess what? It was E.T., my favorite ride. So that was really exciting, and she did like a fun little thing with our name cards, our passport cards, and so E.T. said ho ho ho. It was pretty cute. And then, shocker, as you can see by my umbrella right now, the parade did in fact not happen today, as I predicted all week long that we were not going to be able to see the parade this evening. It has been called for rain ever since the forecast began for today. So instead of parading, we got to go on another attraction, and since everybody else in our VIP group bailed, Jimmy and I chose MIB. So we got to zap zap shoot shoot some aliens. Pew pew! And that kind of concluded the VIP tour of the day. I was really, I've never seen the parade, and I was just really hoping that was gonna happen for us, and it just didn't, and Santa broke his promise. Santa, I'm looking at you. It's fine. We'll come back again and do it probably next weekend, but still, it's kind of sad. It was a big part of the day. They're supposed to be like the finale. That's all right. The weather is kind of a bummer. It did put a damper on the day. She wasn't able to like stop and talk and give all the fun facts that she normally would because everybody wanted to get out of the rain. So, would I recommend the VIP tour for the holidays? Yes, I would. And I know that this year's a little bit different because the Rip Ride Rocket area is under construction, so they kind of had to modify it, but I'm always up for new and exciting things anyway. Like last year, we didn't get to decorate cookies, and I love to decorate cookies, so I thought that was kind of like a fun kind of add-on, fun extra thing that I don't think they normally do. So I think for what you get a lot out of it. I mean, you don't have to wait, you don't get to pick the attraction, but you will get to go on one kind of like using the express lane or the back entrance. You don't have to really wait to meet the Grinch. It's kind of just he's got his own special meet and greet area just for the VIP tour. There's no other way to see him in that area. It's also the only place where you get to meet Max, which is really cool. He was so stinking cute. Love him. He's my favorite part of the whole the Hula Day Spectacular. You get food, snackies, water. There's just so much. And then come to find out, most people just kind of bail after they meet the Grinch. We learned that today. And I think that if you're going to spend the money, you should hang out and do the whole thing because there's so much that's included. It's all day long. It's like 5.5, 6 hours if you were to actually stay and be able to do the parade. That's 6 hours that you paid for that you should get the whole experience out of. Stay, do the whole thing. Pick your VIP tour guide's brain and learn everything you can. You know, if you know me, you know I love that kind of stuff. Like, did you know Steven Spielberg is in Men in Black? I didn't know that till today, okay? So, that's fun. The things you learn. Huge shout out to our VIP tour guide, Bridget. She was amazing. She shared all of her fun facts and knowledge with us, and I can't thank you enough for that. And girl, I hope to see you in the parks. Despite the rain, Jimmy and I had an absolutely fantastic holiday day in a VIP way. Oh, that kind of rhymed. I dig that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and coming along with me today. If you're looking for more vlogs, check out the link in the description down below. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, happy that. And we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, like and subscribe for more.